Morning guys, it's early in the morning on a Monday. The courts are on a strike and we are here at the legendary Motor and Cycle. We are actually planning on getting a new windshield for our Ronin, as because this thing I found on the last highway ride to be not sufficient, as because it pushes the wind blast directly to the top of the head. So for that we are here to get a carbon racing visor. Let us see what do we get. This is the clear visor. এটা কিন্তু বেশ সুন্দর দেখতে।
হ্যাঁ, হোয়াইটটা বেশি চলে।
As you can see, this is the clear visor from Carbon Racing for the Himalayan 450. I am taking this for the Himalayan 450 as because I will have to make a clamp of it anyways. There is no direct fit available for the Ronin, so basically a swap is going on. इसका माल इसके तरफ
মাঝখানটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, পুরোটাই আগস্ট থেকে 3000 আগস্টটা ভালো হবে, খারাপ
we will be using, and this is how it looks. Offers quite a bit of wide area, and we should be able to get a clamp on this and fix it on the Ronin. We have got the visor. Now we just have to get a clamp made. Specifically speaking, there is Champion Motorworks right here in Wellington, which specializes in making these kind of clamps. So I think we'll get ours made from them only. We usually prefer the Chain Gang Customs, but today Chain Gang Customs is closed, so we will move towards Champion. The Himalayan windshield is off and we are in the process of taking off its fitments so that we can get this fit here. We are at Champion Iron Works. Dada is very knowledgeable, and so he will guide us the rest of the way. It is always a trial and error process, and we'll have to figure out how everything works and everything. That's the old windshield. I will take you through the rest of the process. खराब लगेगा ना, जब बैठ जाएगा ठीक ठाक से, जब बन जाएगा खराब नहीं लगेगा।
लेकिन इसका फिटिंग देता है, इसके साथ आता है
वो तो हैंडल बार में डायरेक्ट लगाने के लिए।
इसको यहाँ लगाइएगा, इंडिकेटर आपका ब्लॉक हो रहा है।
हाफ इंडिकेटर ब्लॉक हो जा रहा है यहाँ पे।
पहले वो देख लीजिए।
नहीं, इंडिकेटर तो फिर बाद में शिफ्ट करवा लेंगे, अभी के लिए लगा लेते हैं। दिस इज ऑल्सो वी आर फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम कि द फिटमेंट्स हैव टू बी फिगर्ड आउट एंड द इंडिकेटर्स आर बीइंग कवर्ड. So now we are in the process of figuring out how the clamp is going to be made. It's a trial and error process, and I will take you through it, how it's going to go. So we have started the building process. That is first done by measuring the distance between the windshield point and a point right here. As you can see, this is where, this point right here. This is where we generally mount our original windshield, and another point we'll be using is this one. So these two are the anchor points that we'll be using to get this fixed. some final bit of fitting and welding is going on. Basically, as I was saying, it is anchored into 2 points. One is here on the top of the shock, another where we mount the windshield. So what we will do is we'll get this welded so that this does not vibrate when we are moving at high speeds basically. So it's done, and this is how it looks. The number plate is a bit lopsided. We'll have to get that fixed just because it is too much crowded, so we will probably not get this fixed right now. In some later date, some later place, we will get this one fixed. So we are right now done with all the work. I've also done a bit of fine tuning, and this is how it looks from the side and from the front. To be honest, I will say this came out better than expected. When I had got it done from Champions, there was some issues like this was a bit twisted, lopsided, and the number plate was on this upper nut, and I had to just fine tune a bit from Chain Gang Customs. So now coming to the clamps, I have taken the support of this upper fork and these 2 points right here, like here, and this particular thing has been welded, like taken measurements and welded. Same has been done for this side too. After that, basically another point has been connected from here till here, and this one is just used for connecting the headlight grill. Can be taken off if you need to, not an issue. Like see here through here. So now let me know what you think in the comments down below, if this looks good or not. I think it looks pretty good, although personally I do prefer the smaller windshields, but this isn't looking half bad, so I'll just keep it as of for now, and I will see you on the next one.